First here at 5, Florida's governor is again tapping a Palm Beach County judge to the state Supreme Court. Judge Renatha Francis is set to take a seat on the bench on September 1st. Good evening and welcome to ABC Action News at 5. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thank you for joining us, everyone. While many conservatives commend this pick, our Forrest Saunders explains why abortion advocates worry it will impact access to care.
It was a pick many were expecting.
Our next justice of the Florida Supreme Court, Judge Renatha Francis.
Governor Ron DeSantis, for a second time, appointed Francis to the state's highest court, saying she'll apply the law as it's written.
She understands what the proper role of the judge is in America's constitutional system.
DeSantis previously tried to appoint the judge in 2020. Back then, the Florida Supreme Court ruled Francis failed to meet a 10-year practicing requirement in the Florida bar by about 4 months. Instead, the Jamaican immigrant remained at her post on the 15th Circuit Court, which she's held since 2019.
I stand before you, the epitome of the American dream.
Pundits consider the Federalist Society member a right-of-center judge who isn't shy about her views on the Constitution. Francis shared some of them with the press Friday.
The Florida Supreme Court protects the people's liberty, and inherent in the way that we do that as a judiciary is by respecting and observing the limited role that judges play in our constitutional system of government.
She'll replace Justice Alan Larson when he retires at the end of the month. Francis will be DeSantis' fourth appointee, giving the governor a majority of picks for the court's 7 seats. Groups like the Florida Justice Reform Institute call his latest pick thoughtful and decisive. The conservative Florida Family Policy Council says Francis is, quote, a woman with an extraordinary life story, solid character, and deep faith.
Florida voters need to be aware of how extreme Governor DeSantis is when it comes to issues like abortion access.
Yet some, like Rep. Anna Escamani, worry Francis will further politicize a bench she views as having a conservative slant. With issues like Florida's new 15-week abortion ban expected to come before the court in the future, the Democrat is reminding Floridians 5 of the 7 justices are up for retention votes this election cycle.
Abortion is on your ballot this year for the vote for governor and for the vote of our Supreme Court justices alongside all state House representatives and senators.
At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.